Ensuring HR compliance without stress can seem overwhelming, but with the right strategies and tools, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your HR operations on track, effortlessly staying compliant while reducing stress. Let's kick things off with a simple truth. HR compliance isn't something that can be ignored or postponed, especially if you want to avoid costly fines or lawsuits, but it doesn't have to be a full-time headache either. So how do you ensure HR compliance without stress? The first step is creating a system for staying organized. Compliance laws change constantly, and without a clear, organized system, it's easy to miss important updates. One effective way to stay organized is by using compliance management software. This software will automatically update your compliance information, notify you of any changes, and even store all relevant documents in one place. I've tested many popular options, and I can tell you, the software we'll be using today will make the process so much simpler. I've included a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below, specifically for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along. The second key to stress-free HR compliance is automating processes. Manual paperwork is not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors. With automated workflows, you can handle things like employee onboarding, policy management, and training with ease, all while making sure you're keeping up with legal requirements. The right software can handle all this for you, freeing up time for more important tasks. Now let's talk about training. Compliance isn't just about paperwork, it's about ensuring that everyone in your company understands the rules. Providing regular training on key compliance areas like harassment prevention, discrimination, and health and safety is crucial. Thankfully, many compliance tools offer integrated training modules, allowing you to track completion and progress with minimal effort. You can stay compliant without worrying about whether your employees are up to date. Third, ensure you have an HR audit process in place. Regular audits help you identify compliance gaps before they become serious issues. The software we'll be using can help streamline this process by offering templates and reports to make audits simple. The key here is to stay proactive rather than reactive. The fourth point is maintaining accurate records. Keeping detailed, organized records of employee actions, complaints, training, and more can save you in the event of an audit. With the right software, you can automate record keeping, reducing the risk of human error. Key takeaway: to ensure HR compliance without stress, you need to stay organized, automate your workflows, provide training, perform regular audits, and maintain accurate records. By integrating these steps into your HR operations, you'll avoid unnecessary headaches and stay compliant with ease. As a reminder, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial link to the software we used in this video, available only to viewers of my channel. Now go ahead and start implementing these tips, and I promise your HR compliance will feel much more manageable. Thanks for watching.